Let's set the record straight. The Delhi blast has sparked a lot of debate, but the physical evidence tells a very different story. High explosives leave behind distinct signatures that denotate supersonically, creating a shock wave that shatters concrete and leaves a deep crater. And the crater is one of the most reliable forensic signatures of high explosive event. But that's not what we see in Delhi. The blast site shows a fireball, localized burning and heat splintered glass. It's more consistent with a gas cylinder explosion than a high explosive device. So what's the difference actually? High explosive create craters, shrapnel and symmetrical blast damage. Gas cylinder explosions create fireballs, heat damage and splintered glass. The Delhi blast matches the latter. There are no core forensic indicators of a terror blast. No crater, no embedded shrapnel and no symmetrical blast signature. So the damage is directional and heat-based, not radial. The absence of these indicators they basically suggest it was a gas cylinder or fuel ignition, not a terrorist IED. High explosive detonate at velocities over 7,000 meters per second, creating shock craters and compressive blast zones. So gas cylinders they rupture under pressure and ignite fuel-air mixtures through deflagration, a slower burner wave. So the Delhi blast site, it shows intense smoke and fire, typical of hydrocarbon ignition, not RDX detonation. So in plain terms, we can say it burned. It didn't detonate. So all technical indicators when converged towards a gas cylinder or fuel ignition, not a terrorist IED. So this is not conjecture, it is basic blast physics. Until forensic residue analysis confirms traces of RDX, PETN or TNT, the terror attack label is scientifically unsustainable. Stay informed, stay aware, and let's keep the conversation more factual and more informed. Thank you.